I hate tangled earbuds, so I bought this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's the Nest, not the Nest thermostat, but it's a Nest earbuds holder. I have been trying to find the best earbuds holder organizing system that you can because I have so many of them. Take them on the road. They're always tangled up like this, and in fact, these aren't meant to be tangled. I started untangling them, and I thought I would show you that I got them pretty close, but now I got them completely untangled. You might have wired earbuds. I actually like these because of the lack of a delay. They're super reliable. I don't have to worry about them being charged. All right, so you might have those, and this Nest looks like a little bird's nest. That's why they call it that. Now, what's interesting about this is they have these little pinwheel flaps here. So you put the earbuds, the actual piece that goes in your ears, in the middle here. And then you can see it's silicone, so we can unwrap that. And then we can wrap the cord around. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these earbuds, and I'm just going to shove them in there, right? And then looks like the cable can kind of go through one of these openings here. Then I'm going to take the cord, just wrap it around the outside of this little barrel here, just like that, okay? Once I get it reasonably tight, I'm just going to go ahead and slide this back up, just like that, okay? All the way around. Takes but a second, and now I've got everything where I need it. In fact, when I do need these, I can just open this up here and probably just take them out just like this, and now I have no tangles, ties, knots, anything like that, and I can just put these in and listen to Rick Astley. Yeah, baby! So if you want to avoid the headache of having your earbuds all tangled up, I would check out this Nest. Pretty clever, pretty colorful. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.